Hello and welcome to Coaster Curt's commentary. I am Coaster Curt and this is my 2025 roller coaster rating series, where I rate all 103 roller coasters that I rode in 2025. I used a unique 10 metric system to rate roller coasters, and I explain everything about it in my coaster ratings explanation video that I will link down in the description. Up first in this series is the incredible collection of roller coasters at the roller coaster capital of the world, Cedar Point.
Last roller coaster at Cedar Point, the Woodstock Express. It is a steel Vekoma family coaster that is 26 years old. I didn't realize it was that old. It was pretty cool. I liked it. Let's give it an intensity rating. Let's give it a 5. Yeah, that sounds about right. Pacing was really good. I'll give it like a 8 for pacing. Operations were pretty good. Not the best. It gets a 9. Smoothness, for as old as that ride is, it's pretty dang smooth. I don't remember it being shaky at all. I'm going to give it a 9 for smoothness. Layout, really simple layout, but kind of fun. I'm going to give it like a 6 for layout. Sense of speed, you don't really get any on this. It does go, 29 miles an hour. I'm going to give it like a 5 for sense of speed. Restraints, I like them. They're getting a 7. Theming, there's a ton of theming around. It's in the, Camp Snoopy, Planet Snoopy, whatever Snoopy area it's in. There's 3 of them at Cedar Point. I'm going to give it a 7 for theming. Airtime, there's no airtime. 0. Significance, again, I think family coasters are significant, and this is a really good one to transition those little kids into bigger and bigger coasters. I'm going to give it an 8 for significance.
Woodstock Express gets a 6.4 out of 10. This is an easy coaster for younger riders to slowly work their way up to more intense rides, and it's even kind of fun for adults, making it a great family ride. There's usually a small line for this coaster. With the ride time being pretty short, the operators can get through the line and get you on this ride quickly. Whether you're with a child or not, this is worth riding when you visit Cedar Point. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to follow along in my roller coaster rating series. Thank you for watching Coaster Curt's commentary, and don't forget to enjoy the ride.